Hey everybody, it's Ginger here with Pet Services Pro, a show for you and your pets. So if you're looking for information on proper dental care for your dog, then you are in the right place. I'm about to reveal some great ways for good oral health for your dog at any age, and you don't have to wonder how to care for your pet's teeth. I understand that your dog's health is so important to you, but don't worry, because today I'm going to share with you about dog bad breath and what to do about it. So let's get into it. Isn't it fun to lay in bed with your dog and they yawn, but you can't stand the smell of their breath? There are several reasons why your dog could have such bad breath, but the majority of it comes down to the condition of his teeth and gums. Several things could cause bad breath. A few of those may not occur in dogs until they're older. Dogs need to have proper dental care. Poor oral care can cause tartar buildup on teeth and bacteria buildup in the biofilm in the mouth, causing gum disease, loss of teeth, and infected gums. This can lead to abscesses and gum infections. This bacteria and these infections can lead to bad breath, among other problems. It is important to make sure that your dog has regular dental visits to the vet every year for regular dental care, and with regular brushing, you can keep that tartar and buildup down. Gums stay healthier. Bad diets can also contribute to gum disease. Dogs get their carbohydrates from meat and small amounts of plant matter. Grains and other things in their diet can lead to poor immune system and bad breath and gums. A good diet consists of a good quality kibble or a raw diet. I would suggest avoiding canned foods if possible if there's nothing wrong with their teeth or the vet hasn't prescribed canned foods for your dog. Kibble is hard, and as they chew it, it helps to remove tartar buildup on their teeth. It also gives your dog a stronger jaw. There are certain health conditions that can contribute to severe gingivitis. Liver disease, diabetes, and kidney disease are an example of 3 health concerns that might contribute to bad breath and teeth. Check with your veterinarian. So what are some of the things you can do to make sure that your dog has healthy teeth? Brushing your dog's teeth regularly can significantly help keep your dog's gums healthy. There are toothbrushes that are made for dogs, as well as toothpaste that are also made especially for dogs that can get from your pet store. Do not, repeat, do not use human toothpaste on dogs. They contain poisonous ingredients and they are not meant for dogs. Only use toothpaste made for dogs. When you are brushing your dog's teeth, you'll want to use the toothbrush on the outside of the teeth against the cheek. You don't need to brush the chewing surfaces or the inside next to the tongue, just the outside surfaces. My rule of thumb is if the dog is less than 7 years old, you only have to brush your teeth once or twice a week. If your dog is 7 years or older, you'll want to brush them daily. Your dog will have to get used to you doing things with their mouth. Once they get used to being touched, it'll be a lot easier. Start by gently rubbing the front part of their teeth with your finger. If they try to bite, stop and reprimand them, and then try again. Praise them for good behavior. As they get more tolerant of that, start using the toothbrush on the front part of their teeth. Gradually move farther and farther to the back teeth as your dog allows. Don't worry about rinsing the teeth because pet toothpaste is meant to be swallowed. There are several dental diets that your vet can prescribe for your dog as well. Have a conversation with them if that is the way you want to go. If your dog likes bones or antlers, chewing on them is a good oral health. If you offer them dental treats, read the ingredients just to make sure the ingredients are healthy. Do not let your animal eat a lot of human food, please, and keep pet-proof trash cans. Eating rotten food can contribute to bad breath and gum disease, and dogs like to eat trash. Have plenty of fresh water at all times. Also, dental drops are available to put in their water. Change the water and the dental drops out daily. There are oral sprays available on the market. All you have to do is spritz it into the mouth. That might be easier than brushing. So let's talk about dental visits to the vet. Usually the doctor will examine his teeth, mouth, and gums. If it's an older dog, they'll go ahead and take blood work and make sure that the dog is healthy enough to go under anesthesia for dental cleaning. When the blood work is back and the appointment is scheduled, the pet is dropped off in the morning. The doctor will give them their pre-meds and get them ready, and then they are put under anesthesia. Depending on the size of the animal and how severe the gum disease is, the doctor will decide whether they need extractions or not. The teeth will be cleaned and any extractions done. Generally, a regular dental takes about 30 minutes. If there's extractions involved, it could be a bit longer. They pull the tooth and suture the gums, usually with dissolvable suture material. Once the dental is done, they wake up the animal and make sure they are recovering well. They're offered something to eat, and then you can bring them home. The doctor will go over any post-op care. Now, there is a misconception that dogs that don't have any teeth cannot eat kibble. My dog, when she was older, had all of her teeth extracted, and she lived on kibble just fine. Dogs do not normally chew their food to find bits. They may take bites and do a couple chews to grind it up into smaller pieces, but they normally just swallow chunks of food rather than grind it down to find food particles like we do. But what you do have to be concerned about is if the kibble is too big, there may be a choking hazard, so keep an eye on that and see how they do, and you might have to get a smaller type of kibble if they don't chew it a bit. Your veterinarian will go over what is the best diet for your animal. There you have it. A good diet and regular oral care will help your dog live long and be healthy. So if you're interested in discovering more about ways you can keep your dog healthy, then be sure to check out more of our videos at the first link in the description. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos helping you learn about great pets for you and more. I will see you in the next video. Take care.